So how can you undo notes in the iPhone and Notes app? Let's explain that. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Anyways, you have few methods or a few ways how you can undo within that app, right? So if you are specifically typing something in here and you perform some change, perhaps you delete something, just click on the back arrow at the top of the screen, which will make it go one step back. And you can even tap it multiple different times over to, go a few steps back so you can undo it even a few times, right? So that would be another way how you can do this. Outside of that, you can check out your settings app and go to the accessibility, then tap on a touch, and there is the shake to undo toggle. So make sure you have that enabled as well. And this will allow you to shake your iPhone in this kind of situations, for example, in the Notes app as well. And you can shake it like that. And not only it gives you the option to undo your typing and the changes, it can also redo your typing. So not only you can go one step back, but then you can also go step forward, right? And you can shake your iPhone a few times and it will redo the typing, undo the things and the changes, right? So it's very useful and you can do it this way. And the last option is in case you delete the actual notes, right? Like the files, you can swipe left on the individual note application. The note like threads or whatever, and then it will disappear, but it will not be removed completely because it will be moved to the recently deleted folder. So you need to go back to like this, like left panel to go to the click on the top arrow in the left corner, and you can find the recently deleted folder. You can tap on this one, right? And you will have the ability to then move it back to some of the folders, right? And when you move it from this one to regular folder, you kind of recover the note and you can then just keep on using it and editing it later. So it gets the job done as well. So let me know what exactly you had in mind when you had to look this up or, when you were looking into this type of content. So let me know about that, share your experience below, and subscribe so you do not miss the upcoming videos and tutorials like this one.